If you sit a lot, deal with a whole lot of lower back pain, or just have weak glutes, this one simple exercise will change everything. And the best part, you don't even need to move. Today we're talking about the glute bridge hold, a powerful isometric exercise that builds strength, reduces pain, and improves posture. The glute bridge hold is a simple yet highly effective isometric exercise where we're gonna lift our hips and hold a bridge position. Unlike traditional glute bridges where you repeatedly lower and raise your hips, this version emphasizes sustained tension, which is gonna force our glutes, hamstrings, and lower back to engage the entire time. Why does this matter? Holding an isometric contraction trains our muscles to activate properly, which is absolutely critical for both injury prevention and athletic performance. So it doesn't matter if we're a lifter, an athlete, or just somebody looking to improve posture and relieve their lower back discomfort. That last part is huge, guys. The glute bridge hold is gonna reinforce proper movement patterns that carry over into squats, deadlifts, and yes, even running. So one of the biggest benefits to glute bridge holds is its ability to wake up inactive glutes. We can call it underactive as well because many people, especially those who sit for long hours, which let's face it, that's pretty much how most jobs are these days, have weak or inhibited glutes, which is going to lead to compensations in the lower back, hamstrings, and even those knees. By holding a glute bridge, we can force these muscles to stay engaged, which is going to retrain them to fire correctly. Not only is this going to help with posture and pain relief, but it's also going to improve performance in all lower body exercises. If you have ever struggled to feel your glutes in a squat or deadlift, adding glute bridge holds as a warm-up can make a huge difference. They reinforce mind-muscle connection, ensuring our glutes are doing its job when it matters most. So here's how to do it correctly. Lie on our back with our knees bent and feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart is pretty good. Press to our heels and squeeze our glutes as we lift our hips until our body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Make sure that line is straight. Do not have your hips sag. Hold this position, keeping your core tight and glutes engaged. Do not let your lower back take over. You're gonna start to feel your body shaking a little bit if you haven't done this either at all or it's been a while. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and then build up to 45 to 60 seconds as you get stronger. To make it harder, try holding one leg up or adding a weight to your hips. To make it easier, lower your hips slightly to reduce tension. Okay, this is why you should add this to your routine. If you struggle with lower back pain at all, and if you're a long-time subscriber to the channel, you know that was one of my worst issues. Lower back pain, weak glutes, or poor posture, holding a glute bridge for just 30 to 60 seconds a day can make a serious impact. It's a low-impact, beginner-friendly exercise that provides long-term benefits without that risk of injury. Try this before leg day or after long periods of sitting, and let me know in the comments if you feel a difference. Spoiler alert, you will. Just like our other bodyweight isometric exercises, 3 times a week is a really nice sweet spot if you're just starting out. Use the time frame I just mentioned and give it 90 days. 30 days is okay, you'll notice a little bit of a difference. 90 days will transform your life. The main muscle groups that the glute bridge works are, you guessed it, the glutes, but that's not all. The glutes are divided into 3 muscle groups. The gluteus maximus, which is the main driver of the movement responsible for hip extension, the gluteus medius and minimus, which helps stabilize the pelvis and prevent hip drop. The secondary muscles worked are hamstrings, which assist in hip extension and help maintain the hold. Then there's the erector spinae, which is our lower back muscles, which support the lumbar spine and prevent excessive arching. Lastly are the core, rectus abdominis, and obliques, which again help stabilize the pelvis and maintain a neutral spine. By the way, if you incorporate single leg bridge holds, the demand on the gluteus medius, obliques, and hip stabilizers increase significantly. So do that if you're looking for a greater core and stability challenge. Now, if you found this video helpful and you'd like more exercises that would work the lower body isometrically without even moving a muscle, then I highly recommend you check out this video right here, and we'll see you there.